Condemning the arrest of 3 top leaders of the proscribed Pambei-Led Unlf, including 2 officials, Bishnupur Akoiba Apunballu Bal blocked the road along Tidim Road and shut down markets. Mairapaibis of the locality took out torch march against the arrest last night. I beg your pardon. Meanwhile, mention may be made that Bal has demanded unconditional release of the arrested cadres within 6 a.m. this morning. The step to shut down the markets and block the road was taken as the arrested members were not released within the set period. Meanwhile, blocking of road along Tidim Road has caused inconvenience to the commuters. Bal Women President Oinam Bina demanded unconditional release of the arrested top leaders. Various agitations will be carried out if the government fails to fulfill the demand of the protesters, she added. Essential services were exempted from the purview of the road blockade. Vehicles have stopped plying along Nambol, Oinam, Bishnupur, Ningthaukong and Moirang in Bishnupur district.
Luraba leba ki tanja sida isa ahum phagi bache ena ena phagi bache kari maram ki pabano ngarang degi phagi bache koina ngasi pung taru phak thajabani ado hauji phok sarkar ki makai degi am india ga mangi makai degi thador ko leite aduna hauji hauji akoi bisempur akoi ba apun balu bal na chinjaraga thadorak trabani na masidai hen ba khongjang changchen nana ba koi sem sari hauji ju khongjang changcheli